Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian, and in this short video, which is part of our 7-day build a Q&A authority site for under $100, you can see the link below. This is just an extra video I'm recording for managing the Q&A WordPress theme. This is the Disky theme. It's awesome, but one of the challenges that folks are having is kind of navigating some of the advertising options, which are really extensive on this theme. So I want to show you a couple easy ways that you can modify the template or modify the way ads show up on a post-by-post basis to really give your site some fine-grained granularity in terms of serving up ads that are super relevant for each respective post or page or question. All right, so here is an ad that's running site-wide. Now, I just created this. This site's only been up for about 7 days, so this is going to be changed anyway. But I just created this using Canva as a as a vehicle for creating banners. If you go to the bottom of the page, you'll see. Let me see if I can. My hands are really sort of inefficient, unfortunately, for this work. All right, so if you go to the bottom, here's another Canva ad we created. I actually had someone do this for me. Again, using Canva, both of these on click go to this Psychic Source program, which for our demonstration niche is the primary affiliate program we're promoting. All right, so every one of these questions, this one's asked by Spiritual LA, all of these have the same general ads served on each question. All right. Now, that isn't necessarily ideal if you're going to have a Q&A community with hundreds or even thousands of posts. You want the ads that are being served up, especially on a theme like this that has incredible flexibility and offers you that opportunity, you want that to be really granular. So let us go take a closer look. This is a pinned question, which I just did to illustrate the pinned potential or the pinned feature. This is a post I just added a couple moments ago, Psychic Source review. Again, this particular community right now, the primary thing we're promoting is this Psychic Source entertainment phone network. All right, so let's edit this question and change that ad at the top. So let's make the ad really super specific for Psychic Source so that people see that and feel more compelled to click, right? Because unless you click on the ad that I have up, you're not really going to know that's a Psychic Source ad. All right, so let's go to this question now. Now, all of a sudden, as you can see, the header ad has been changed to actually match the program that we're asking about in the post or in the question, right? So now all of a sudden, anyone who's coming from the search engines in a week or a month or 6 months, if this question gets filled out nicely with lots of answers and opinions, and it's getting some first page traffic, folks are going to be much more inclined to click on that, which leads nowhere because I didn't edit the destination URL, which I should have. So here's the custom image. Here's the advertising URL. As you can see, I didn't do that, which is why it doesn't click anywhere. Let's use a tracking link. Update it. Let's view the question. And now you can see again, Psychic Source review has a banner ad for Psychic Source, and on click, it goes to the exact same imagery that I have in the post, in the ad banner. All right, now all I did to accomplish that was use a tool called Sketch, which I believe is now owned by Evernote, and I just take an exact screen grab of the banner that they have, or of the landing page, and create a banner out of it. It's very easy. It's a great way of amping up your conversions because folks who see this ad visually and like it enough to click on it are going to be that much more likely to convert when they see the same imagery on the landing page. There's a continuity and a consistency between those two elements, and that's important. All right, and now folks go through this, and if they sign up, we get paid $100. All right, so it's really simple, and you can continue to do this, by the way. Let's add another question, and let's call this, what does a near-death experience feel like? Are near-death experiences real or just a function of an overactive imagination? Aren't they just one big hallucination? All right, let's publish that. Let's make this really simple. Let's look at this question, and here you go. Now, what does a near-death experience feel like? You see all this is here, but that's not really a good match anymore for a psychic reading kind of network. I wouldn't want on a really evolved site to have a banner for a psychic reading on a near-death experience question or blog post or page or category, right? I mean, it's similar in the sense that it's related to psychic experiences. Folks who have those experiences certainly are feeling some sort of out of body or otherworldliness as part of that, supernatural kind of experience, but they're not looking for psychic readings. So maybe what I would do is let's go and change, let's put display code, and let's put some advertising code in here. And let's say, here's a really good book on Amazon about near-death experiences. Click here to download the first chapter free. All right, so let's say this was a link Amazon and the book. Right now, I don't have a book in mind to recommend. Therefore, we're just going to link to Amazon. So let's update this. This is really powerful stuff, guys. I mean, this really allows you to modify. You could have 1,000 posts with all these different affiliate programs, all these different products, coaching offers, courses, books. You could do so many cool things on a granular level by modifying the ads that are being served up or the offers that are being served up on a question by question basis. So here you see, what does a near-death experience feel like? Now there's that text call to action, which is going to lead us to Amazon. Right now, once you have your offers more well organized than I do here, because this is just a basic demonstration, you would have a near-death experience book here. Maybe you'd have the image, in the header, and maybe you'd have the link here, or you'd like to have the link here go right to that respective book. All right, all very simple. And when you go back to the home page, you'll see the primary global ad spot is again occupied by this here, and that changes here. All right, very, very simple and very, very easy to apply. If you have any questions, again, this is the 7-day course on building an authority site using the Q&A model for under $100. Really simple stuff. And feel free to ask if you got any questions. Thanks.